Guys, you're not going to believe this, but I just woke up and it's not raining out. Oh, praise the Lord, it's a Christmas miracle. Oh, hallelujah, happy day. Oh my God, I can actually see the sun. It's beautiful. I'm tired, I want to go back to sleep. What's up, everybody? Favo Andre here. Sorry I didn't get a vlog out yesterday, but it was pouring all day again. And I didn't have anything to talk about, so I was just sitting there on my computer while it was pouring outside. It's annoying. Sorry I couldn't get anything out, but it's just the way it had to be. I'm sorry, this is just the way it has to be. Nah, I'm kidding, I was just trying to give that a psychopath stare. So I decided to Google a wrestler, and this is what came up. Gimmick Fail presents Orlando Jordan's hot bisexual action. You didn't wrestle for that long, and I don't know where that came from. Just, wow. I'm all for gays, but I mean, it's just like, what? Oh my God. WWE's done it again. So I just finished breakfast, and to those of you who wanted to see that hot bisexual action from Orlando Jordan, I tried clicking on the link, and it didn't work for me. It just came up with a blank page, so that's why I didn't click on it. And if you can get it to work, good to you. Send it to me. Send it to me on Twitter. Yeah, that's it. I got the link to work. It's just an article. Nothing too special. But I guess there's some funny parts in it. Other than that, it's really just talking about a wrestler who went to go pitch a gimmick. It's really just talking about his career. So, don't send it to me on Twitter. I'm fine. Thank you. But it does say, it was speculating, it said, Orlando possibly went into Vince McMahon's office at Titan Towers and said, I want a bisexual gimmick with a male and female valet on either side that I can do suggestive things with. He was featured in Endeavor shortly after. Made myself peanut butter and jelly. Yes, I burnt it. I burnt a peanut butter and jelly. That's because the bread is frozen, and I have to toast it, because I don't like eating frozen bread. It's disgusting. So anyway, I'm gonna eat this, and then I have to go train. Yeah, I'm like a steam train. Woo woo. Yeah, because steam trains use bench press. Yeah, I could bench press a steam train. So that's what I'm implying. So I just finished working out. There's like no one home today. It's my dad and my brother. That's about it. His friend from work, a personal trainer, came over. And we just finished a workout with him. We did like 12 sets of bench press. I don't know, we did a lot. We went up to 210. It started off with 45. That was fun. And we did some core exercises. gotta work all around. Now I'm probably just gonna go for a bike ride and wait for my protein to freeze. I put it in the freezer. I just wanted to get cold. I had it sitting in my room. So anyway, and now I'm just here with this little guy. Oh, big guy. Big furry guy. How you doing? Oh, the kitties are nice. So anyway, it looks like it's gonna rain again. At least it's not raining during the day. I can be outside. So anyway, that was a fun workout. And told you I'd be outside. I'll get back to you in a bit. All the ditches are almost filled to the brim with water. I haven't seen this in a long time. There's a lot of police back there. There's like 5 all just standing there talking to one guy. I don't know what for. That was weird. And here comes a car. They got to 13. They're trying to cheat me. I know I can go faster. They put that there because the cops knew I was going too fast, so they'd slow me down. That's too badass for the cops. Shit. That's why those cop cars are there. Just destroying my tire. It's hard to see, but their yards are just flooded. Back there, it's hard to see. That's what you get when you live on the Gulf of Mexico. We live below water level. So, basically whenever it's a heavy rain, it just, our yard, like basically everyone's yard gets flooded. That's why our houses have to be built on hills. Fun facts. So I don't know much else to report about. Pretty good day though. I don't know. I had a good workout. Met, forget which cat that was. We had like 3 that look exactly the same. So I think that was Rumbles. Met Rumbles. I don't know. My brother's home. Had a good workout. Didn't rain so far. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on Twitter. Stay fabulous.